Upwork, a renowned freelancing platform, has been a lifeline for many freelancers across various fields, offering opportunities to leverage their skills and earn money. With the rise of AI and machine learning, tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT have revolutionized the landscape, enabling creative ways to generate income. If you're looking to blend the power of ChatGPT with Upwork's vast clientele, here are 10 innovative ways to do so. Content creation and blogging. Overview. ChatGPT is adept at generating written content, making it an ideal tool for content creators and bloggers. How-to. Utilize ChatGPT to draft articles, blog posts, or other written materials. By inputting a topic or prompt, the AI can produce a coherent and detailed piece in a short time. Advantage. This not only increases your productivity, but also allows you to take on multiple content writing gigs simultaneously. Copywriting. Overview. Every business needs compelling copy to market its products or services effectively. How-to. Offer services where you leverage ChatGPT to produce ad copies, product descriptions, email campaigns, and more. While the AI generates the initial draft, you can fine-tune it to meet the client's specifications. Advantage. Speed up the copywriting process and produce high-quality, persuasive content consistently. Language translation and localization. Overview. ChatGPT has multilingual capabilities that can be useful for basic translation tasks. How-to. Offer translation services by using the AI to provide initial translations and then refine them for cultural and contextual appropriateness. Advantage. This method can handle multiple languages efficiently, expanding your client base. Market research and AMP data analysis. Overview. Businesses often need insights from vast amounts of data to make informed decisions. How-to. Use ChatGPT to process and analyze data, offering insights, summaries, or predictions based on the given data sets. Advantage. Offer clients a quicker turnaround time on data analysis tasks, bolstered by the AI's ability to process information rapidly. Programming and AMP code generation. Overview. ChatGPT can assist with code-related queries, making it a valuable tool for developers. How-to. Offer services like debugging, code generation, or even tutoring beginners in coding. Use the AI's capabilities to expedite the development process. Advantage. Save time on routine tasks and focus on more complex coding challenges, expanding your portfolio. Online tutoring and AMP course creation. Overview. With the ability to provide detailed explanations on various topics, ChatGPT can be an educational asset. How-to. Design courses or offer tutoring sessions in subjects you're familiar with, using the AI to supplement information, provide examples, or answer student queries. Advantage. Enhance the learning experience by providing instant, accurate responses, making your courses or sessions more appealing. Ebook. Writing and AMP publishing. Overview. The ebook market is flourishing, with many individuals and businesses looking for writers. How-to. Use ChatGPT to draft chapters or entire ebooks based on outlines or topics provided by clients. Then, refine and personalize the content as needed. Advantage. Speed up the writing process and offer competitive rates due to the efficiency of AI-assisted drafting. SEO optimization. Overview. In the digital age, SEO is crucial for online visibility. How to. Offer services to optimize website content. Use ChatGPT to suggest keywords, draft SEO-friendly content, or even analyze existing content for improvements. Advantage. By coupling your SEO expertise with ChatGPT's capabilities, you can offer comprehensive SEO solutions. Creative writing and AMP, script writing. Overview. Storytelling is an art, and ChatGPT can be a muse. How to offer creative writing services for short stories, scripts, or even poetry. Use the AI for brainstorming ideas, developing plots, or crafting dialogues. Advantage: enhance your creativity with AI-assisted prompts and suggestions, catering to a broader range of clients. Customer support and AMP chatbots. Overview: efficient customer support is vital for businesses, and chatbots are becoming increasingly popular. The blending of Upwork's platform with the capabilities of ChatGPT offers freelancers an avenue to diversify their services, increase efficiency, and cater to a broader clientele. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the opportunities it presents. Embracing these changes can set you apart in the competitive world of freelancing. The freelancing realm has always been dynamic, with professionals continually adapting to technological advancements and market demands. With AI's integration, especially tools like ChatGPT, this adaptability has never been more critical. Advantages of embracing ChatGPT: enhanced efficiency. One of the most apparent benefits of using ChatGPT is the tremendous increase in efficiency. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes, allowing